Talking about going from fractions to decimals. But if you have a look at all of those questions in question 7, this is in 9b, you will notice that a lot of them have different denominators. Okay, they're not all out of 10, over 10, and they're not all over 100, so that makes it a bit hard sometimes. So the first fraction is a what?
1 over 2.
1 over 2, which is the same as a half. And it'd be really good if you were automatically going, yep, that is
0.2.
0.5. Yeah, 0.5. But why is that 0.5 and not 0.2? Jeremy? Yeah. So if we were to put it over 10, what would the numerator be? 5. That's much easier to recognise. Max, will you just close that door for me? Thank you. This is question 7, yeah, so I would write this down. Okay, B, what's the fraction, please, Jake?
1 over 5.
1 over 5. Again, that's not over 10, so it's a bit hard to recognise straight away. What would this be if it were over 10? 5 times 2 is 10, so 1 times 2, Jeremy? 2. And you can easily then recognise that as 0.2. Okay, so if in doubt, try to bring it back to something that's over 10, and then you can see it easily that way. C, what fraction is it? I think it's a mixed number, is it? Deborah?
1, and then it's 1 over 2.
Okay, 1 and a half. So automatically we know it's going to be 1 point something because there's one whole here. And we know that a half
1.5
is 0.5. So it wouldn't be this. We wouldn't squash them together.
It would just be 1.5.
Yeah, it's 1.5 because there's one whole and 5 tenths. Excellent. Okay. D is what fraction there? Xavier, can you tell me what that one is? D? What's a fraction in the book?
1/4.
1/4? Great. Okay. So 1/4 is not out of 10, and it is a bit tricky to get it out of 10, isn't it? Okay. If we think about what 1/4 is, it's 1 out of 4 parts. If we were to divide 10 into 4 parts, we would get 2.5. Right, so it is 0.25. These are the common ones you should try to recognise without having to think too hard about it. So 0.25 is a quarter, or we've got like 25 out of 100 is a quarter, that's why it's 0.2. So 2 tenths and 5 hundredths. Thank you. What is E? We're going to do 2 more, E and F. What is E in the book, Baxter?
3/4.
3/4. Okay, so if we know that 1/4 is 0.25, 3 lots of that is
0.75.
0.75. Awesome. And what is F?
4 and then 1 over 4.
4 and a quarter. If we know that 1/4 is 0.25, if there is a 4 as the large number of the mixed number, it's 4 wholes, 0.25. Once you know these ones as the really common ones that you come across, it's very easy to change these if you have a look at the whole number out in front. Alright, any questions about that? Okay, back up.